Cafeva Home Coffee Clean Essentials includes Grinder Cleaning Tablets, Descaling Powder, Espresso Machine Cleaning Powder, and Milk System Cleaning Powder. The following videos demonstrate how to use each product. Insert the 1-cup filter basket into the portal filter. Place the cleaning disc inside and add approximately 3 grams of Cafeva Espresso Machine Cleaning Powder. Lock the portal filter into the group head. Before starting the cleaning cycle, make sure the water tank is filled with cold water to the max line, the drip tray is empty, and machine is powered off. Press and hold the 1-cup, 2-cup, and power buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. The cleaning cycle will start and run for about 5 minutes. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, the machine will beep 3 times and return to standby mode. Remove the portal filter and check that the cleaning powder has fully dissolved. If residue remains, repeat the cleaning cycle until fully dissolved. Once dissolved, remove the cleaning disc, reinstall the portal filter into the group head, place a cup or container underneath, and press the 2-cup button to rinse away any residue. Wipe away any splash water with a soft, dry cloth. First, dissolve 1 full sachet of Milk System Cleaning Powder in about 500 milliliters of warm water at 50 degrees Celsius. Insert the steam wand into the cleaning solution. Turn the steam on for 3 seconds, then off for 5 seconds, and repeat 5 to 6 times. During the process, control the steam output and avoid bringing the solution to a boil. Then, leave the steam wand soaking in the solution for about 10 minutes. Once soaking is complete, discard the cleaning solution and repeat the same step using clean water to rinse. Finally, wipe the steam wand dry. The Milk System cleaning is complete. First, empty any remaining coffee beans from the hopper. Pour 1 full pack of Cafeva Grinder Cleaning Tablets into the hopper and start the grinder. As the tablets are ground, they remove residue coffee grounds and oils. Once grinder is complete, add a small amount of coffee beans and run the grinder again to flush out any remaining tablets particles. Discard the first grind. Grinder cleaning is complete. First, remove the water filter from the water tank. Dissolve 1 full sachet of Cafeva Descaling Powder completely. Then, fill the tank to the maximum level. Make sure the machine is turned off. Press and hold the 2-cup and power buttons together for about 5 seconds to enter descale mode. Once in descale mode, the machine will begin heating. Also, the 2-cup and power buttons will start to flash continuously. When the power button, 2-cup button, clean descale indicator, and hot water steam indicator are all illuminated, the machine is ready to begin descaling. Descaling the coffee component. Press the 2-cup button to start descaling the coffee component. This process takes about 25 seconds. During the cycle, the 2-cup button will continue flashing and will turn solid once the cycle is complete. At the end, the machine will emit 3 beeps, indicating completion. Descaling the steam and hot water components. The steam system descaling takes approximately 13 seconds, and the hot water system takes about 8 seconds. Turn the steam dial left to the steam icon to descale the steam system. Then, turn the dial right to the hot water icon to descale the hot water system. Repeat this step until all the scalding solution in the water tank has been used. Once the scalding is complete, remove the water tank, rinse it thoroughly, and refill it with cold water to the maximum level. Repeat the discalding cycle using clean water to fully rinse out any remaining discalding solution. Finally, press the power button to exit discard mode. When all LED indicators turned off, the discarding process is complete.